Hello friends, welcome to my channel and thanks for watching this video. Friends, in this video we are going to discuss about TISI stock or Team INC. Okay, so TISI is the ticker symbol and there is a very important move that's happening over here. So this is the long-term chart or the monthly chart of TISI stock, and the reason for analyzing this particular chart is very simple and right now is very important. So this is how you can make some big trend going forward or big money going forward, and if things works out you are here for a big treat. So let's quickly discuss the long-term chart of TISI stock. But before that, if you haven't yet subscribed my channel yet, just hit on the subscription button. Also hit on the notification bell along with the all button to get my updated video notification. Now what do we have here? As you can see, TISI stock is now retesting the long-term support, and this support has been in place since 1985. So this is indeed a big support, and from the highs of 2014 to the lows of 2020, and it is giving the same kind of level that you have got in 1985, 86, then 1996 and 2000. Okay, so you have 0.83 as your immediate support and 0.64 as your stop loss on the downside. Okay, so this is what we have here as far as the lower end of the range is concerned. Please do not go below these two specific levels. Now as far as the upper end of the range is concerned, you have $3 and you have 3.93, and you may include 4.9 as well as far as your immediate targets are concerned. And this is basically a range, a cluster of targets which are closely related to each other, and that's why it's important to discuss about all these three at once. Okay, so this is what we have here as far as the immediate targets are concerned. Now once TISI stock moves beyond 4.9 and sustain 4.95 or 4.96 and sustain above that, the next two targets that will open up will be 9.9 and 13.4. so this is what you can see beyond 4.95 or 4.96. then you will open up for 9 and 13. And right now if you are looking at the levels beyond $13, more specifically this highlighted section, this looks like an extension. Okay, because basically the actual range is this part, and what has happened beyond 13.4 or even $10 is something which you can call it as an extension. But the stock has actually spent sufficient amount of time, so from 2006 till 2019, so it's a big amount of time that the stock has spent. So we cannot say this is only an extension, but we have to include it. So in the long term, if somehow TISI stock managed to sustain above 13.5 or more after the big move, in that case the long-term target will extend up to 41 and $50 in the upcoming months and years. This will definitely take time. Right now what you should focus on is this particular section. Once stock moves beyond $10, then you have this small section which will push the stock towards 13.5, and only beyond 13.5 you can look at this particular section on the upside. So this is what we can see as far as the long-term chart of TISI is concerned, and there is a very good risk reward that you can get right now. So this is the end of the video. Thanks for watching.